If your YouTube videos are getting almost no mid-roll ads, or worse, you are seeing those annoying red ad slots in your YouTube videos, guys, then just know that you are leaving money on the table. Yes, you are leaving revenues on the table every month, and you are making mistakes placing your mid-roll ads correctly. That is why you are having these challenges, because most creators think, oh, I already turned on monetization, so ads should be playing automatically. Yes, it will, but there's also a secret strategy I'm going to be sharing for you in this video. Okay, YouTube does not place mid-roll ads properly in most of your videos, and they made it known that creators should actually use the manual pattern. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you that manual pattern that YouTube talked about, guys. So if it's your first time here, my name is Joy. I teach about YouTube growth and how to monetize your channel. So do well by joining the family and subscribing to this channel. So today I'm going to be showing you two things. One, how to manually place mid-roll ads in the smartest position, guys, and how to know that smartest position. And two, how to remove those red ad slot flyers or flags that you've been seeing in your videos, guys. Additionally, I'm going to also show you the hidden settings like 90% of creators miss, that actually destroy their revenue, making them earn in cents. And the fastest way to get your ads approved, even on videos longer than 8 minutes. Okay, so if you know you want to see an increase in your RPM and actually earn much from your ad revenue in the next 30 days, then stay to the end of this video. Whether you are monetized or not, this is helpful. If you have not monetized, then this is actually an eye-opener for you, so that by the time you get your monetization, you will know exactly what to do with your mid-rolls, guys. Okay, you see, the more ads you place on a particular video, the more revenue or money you make from that video. But however, it's usually advisable for you to place ads in a very good manner, not an exhausting manner, right? Don't spam ads all over your videos, right? As a creator, you should be thinking about your viewers' interests aside your own pocket. So guys, to get this done, we'll just go to our YouTube dashboard using the Chrome app, okay? And then select our video gallery. You see content, just select content right there so that you can pick a particular video that you're going to be using. But it has to be 8 minutes and above video, okay? Because if it's less, you'll not be able to put ads. So let's just pick one video right here to show you this tutorial, okay? So we'll pick this video, okay? Let's pick this video. It's above 8 minutes so that you can use it for the tutorial. Now you go ahead and click on this monetization button. Okay, you see that monetization tab right there that looks like $sign. Just click on that particular button, and here it's asking you to show mid-roll ads. Toggle it on. Okay, just click on that box, check it, and then to turn on. With this, you'll be able to place those mid-roll ads. If you don't turn it on, you'll not be able to do it. Now click on manage ad slot. Now look at the automatic one that YouTube has already placed, 4 minutes and 11 minutes, but we're not going to use only just this because the video is really long. We need to add to it. Are you seeing it too? I want to start from 2 minutes. Let it be like 2 minutes per before ads come up on the video, right? So just scroll to 2 minutes angle, and then to get the right spot, go to this magnifier right here. Are you seeing it? Drag it to almost the last. This is to enable you see the pause. Are you seeing space? Anywhere that there's space, that's where you put it. So you don't put it in speech or to interrupt any speech. It's when you put it to interrupt a speech that it shows red. If you can target it like this, just click on add slot, insert add slot. Are you seeing it's up there? When you get the space, click on insert add slot right there, and then go back and reduce the magnifier so that it go back to normal length. Okay, now what you will do is look for another spot which is like 6 minutes, because we already have at 4 minutes, 2 for 6. So let's do 6 minutes. Then increase that magnifier again and look at space, look at free space. You just look for somewhere, put the cursor, and then go up there and click on insert add slot. This is just how you do it basically. With this magnifier showing you the space, you don't get to put it on top of any speech. So because YouTube said natural ad break, that's why you should put it. Are you saying it? So go back and reduce the magnifier again. Now we have 2 for 6. So this video is almost more than 11 minutes long. We'll place in another spot, let's say 8 preferably, right? Let's say 8. We can do 8 right now. Then increase the magnifier, look for space. Are you seeing this space is very tight? So it's very tight, but let's look for that place. And then you can let's look for a spot to put it. And then click on insert add slot. Okay, are you seeing it? Just the same way we did for the first ones, right? Now we have 5 slots in this particular video, and we'll leave it like that. We'll just go back and click on save. After click on continue, click on save. Okay, you have to save it, else it will not save. So after saving it, you give it a while and wait and see if YouTube approves it, because right now it's under review. If it's not okay, YouTube will tell you that you should move your ad slot. It has not shown here, but we're going to check it now. So, but if it's okay to be like this, so let's just play around and check other things while we wait at least 2 minutes. Okay, so know that for YouTube to finish the job, there's no copyright. This is the copyright symbol. Everything is okay. Now let's go back. Look at it. It said consider moving some of your ads or manual ad row to better positioning. Look at it. Every other one was approved apart from these 2 minutes. Meaning it's not okay. We did not position it well, or YouTube does not agree to that. Probably because they played video in the beginning and then that 2 minutes might be too close, or the space we put it is not good enough. Look at it showing that red. Every other one is okay because we put it in strategic positions, which is natural break. So all you do is just go ahead and delete that one, just like I did right now. Okay, delete it. And if you want to try again, you can redo it. Just put it in that 2 minutes plus and go to that magnifier again and increase it so you can see all of the pause or the breaks while you were talking. Look at it. We have 2 breaks right here. We're going to have to choose anyone that we want. Okay, let's choose one and then click on insert ad break. Okay, we have choose 2:25. Let's save it. Just click on continue over there. Click on continue and then go back and save. Okay, we just go back and save it. Okay, after saving, we'll hold on and wait again. Okay, so this is just how you fix ad slots that are showing red. It means you are putting it on top of a speech, so you have to use that magnifier, that one that looks like microscope, just to drag it and see all of the space and put it in the right position. When you do that, YouTube will sign it, they will approve it. Your ad slot will not be showing red. You understand? So this is what a lot of creators don't know. They just put it blindly. Look at it, it's not showing anything right there. It means YouTube has approved it. Are you seeing all of them? See, look at it. We have solved this issue. This ad slot is properly positioned and your video is going to run ads. YouTube will not play all of them, but they will not play just 2. They will play 4 or 3 of these ads. That's how it works, guys. So we have fixed red ad slot and we know how to use magnifier to position ad slots properly for ad breaks, for whether for positions that have breaks. Okay, so you can go ahead and do it for all of your videos because some of your videos don't have it active yet. So go ahead and set it up for all of your videos, guys. This is basically how to do it. Just go ahead, set it up so that your ad revenue will be high, because if you don't set up mid-row ads for all those your videos, your 16-minute video might just play only 2 ads, and that's too small for 16-minute video. Do you understand? So you have to put it one after the other. Even if you have 100 videos, you do it one after the other until you are able to cover up for all of them. This is what I did for mine, although I've not finished mine yet, but I'm still on it because my videos are plenty. So you do this one after the other for each videos and wait for the slots to be accepted by YouTube and then go on to the next video. So this is it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, for a 10-minute video, at least 4 to 5 ad slots is okay. You understand? Then for a video that is 15 minutes and above, 5 to 6 is enough. Then a video that is 20 minutes and above, you can put as high as 10 ad slots. YouTube will now select how many they will play for your subscribers or your viewers rather to watch. Do you understand me? So this is basically how you increase your revenue, because the higher ad slots you add in your videos, the higher or the more money you make from your videos. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. If you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share to other creators to learn how to position this strategically. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every one of you. Bye for now.